Hi guys, hey, bonus video time again. Here it is, look, I've just stepped in from work and look what was waiting for me. Right, I'm getting the right way up. A parcel from Dougalicious and Frantastic. I won't show you the top because it's got my address on, but let's get it opened. I can't actually quite remember if I've ordered more than I think is in here. So there you go, weapon of choice, look, pink to make the girls, I nearly said boys, pink to make the girls wink. Oh dear, no it is, it's boys isn't it? Pink to make the boys wink, that's it, yeah. Oh. Dad brain, here we go, look at this. Let's see what goodies we've got. Look at this straight away, look at this. Absolutely wonderful. That's going in the mirror. Look at that. Wonderful. I'll have a closer look at that in a minute. Oh, right, so we've got that one. Oh, and I see freebies, And then we've got this one. All right. Well, I wonder what that is then. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Oh, sacre bleu! And here it is. Whoa. Oh, hang on a minute. That's the soap. The shaving soap. I got CK6. Look at that. Wow. That smells. That smells like Aquavelva and then some. Absolutely spot on. And look at this, we got the sacre blazers. Oh, I hate this one. Ah, right, there you go. Soap bars. Oh, look. Phoenix shaving body bar. Can you say that? There you go. Samantha must have ordered that as a little treat. This must be the splash. And look at this here. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, let's get this open. This will be the splash, but there's something quite... Oh, look at this. Alright, yeah, that's a car air freshener refill. Samantha bought that. And, oh yes, look, high jump. 47. Little sample there. Woo woo! I look forward to trying that. I was actually going to get that. And then look at this. Excellent packaging. Yeah, there's something different about this one. It's different to the older iterations. Shall we say? Iterations. Well, like, can't even remember my name half the time, but yeah, here we go using words like iterations. Here it is. Boom, look, this one's green, the older ones aren't, are they? So I believe, but there you go, check that out. Let's have a ding dang do. It is, oh my word, it is. Do you know what, it's like, as is always the case with Doug and Fran's stuff, I mean, I think that's their take on Aquavelva. It's like Aquavelva, but on steroids, beefed up. A better, stronger, smellier, nicer version of it. Absolutely wonderful. So there you go, guys. That's it. Little unboxing. I'm all excited. Gonna go and let the wife have a sniff now. And then I'll probably use this in an up and coming shave. Take care of yourself. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Wednesday. I think then for the midweek shave. Might be using Sacre Bleu. See you then.